Book a lesson. Book a lesson.
Short tutorial for turning right at the hospital roundabout and then turning right further down at the County Hall roundabout. At the first roundabout we're going to turn right, fourth exit, heading towards Durham City on the 8691. We'll continue to indicate right. As we approach the roundabout, we're looking to the right to ensure that it's safe to proceed, and if it is, make progress onto the junction. There's exit 1, exit 2, exit 3, left blind spot, left mirror, indicate left, and make progress down the hill. We'll cross the roundabout, second exit, heading towards Durham City Centre, continue on the A691. Approaching the roundabout, rear view mirror, then look to the right. If it's safe to proceed, let's move off, look left, indicate left, and make progress down the hill. Continuing down Southfield Way, you'll notice on the right hand side a road sign which gives us the indication that we can go down the hill in both lanes. Given the choice, left is best. Left is best. When we approach the roundabout, we're going to stay in the left hand lane to turn right. We're turning right, Durham City A691. Approaching the junction, rear view mirror, then look to the right. Make progress if it's safe to do so. Look left. After the second exit, indicate left and make progress down the hill. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.